That's something that everyone should ask themselves at some point in life, no matter what it is. We all have times when we have to choose what path to go down, what mountain to climb. I know I've found myself in many crossroads in the past, and I'm not sure if I've always chose the right way. But I guess maybe because I'm still alive and I have people that love me, then I guess I did choose the right way. I think it all comes down to what you want out of life, what your priorities are. Nobody can tell you if you should go left or right. You have to make that decision because only you know what's right. And I think everyone knows which way is right. You've probably heard people say, listen to your heart or listen to your intuition, and that's true. You should. That's if you can hear it. See, for some of us, those thoughts can be quiet, and sometimes when you can't hear them clearly, you overthink things, and every turn you take feels like the wrong direction. I've experienced this, and it sucks. You get into a rut filled with thoughts saying every decision you're making is a bad decision, and you don't know how to get out. I think the thing that has helped me is just knowing that those ruts are like quicksand. The more you try to get out, the more you're gonna sink. See, I don't think that you can force anything in life. You can't force change. I mean, I guess you can, but that's when we get stressed out and we start to feel anxious about everything. Your life is going to change no matter what, big or small, it's gonna change. I like to say that life is like a river and you can't make it flow any faster. So if you're in a place that you don't want to be and you feel lost, not knowing which direction to go, just remember that things will change. You just have to give it time and keep looking for the positives in life, the things that make you happy, and work towards things that you love. And also just don't try to force change because it might not seem like it right now, but your life is going to change. You just have to believe it.